Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Trying to destroy his 850. Claims he hit a deer, but I hadn't heard the report on the guy that went to the hospital over that, running somebody over. Looking at Ando's door, his lever goes over, hits that, but there's a linkage that's loose there. And I pulled this brace off of this. Looks like this linkage that connects here to there has popped off of his door. So Volvo has it pressed in the back way. You may be able to press it in the front way. I don't know. It may hit that. So let me show you how this linkage goes in here. That metal goes in there like that. So when you pull the handle, it pulls the latch loose from up top. And right now, that's not happening with his. So it's not opening from the inside, only from the outside. Mom grocery shopping. Her car is about to hit all sevens. Taking it to the car wash to wash it up for her. It is a mess. Hadn't been washed since I left 3.5 weeks ago. Let's get this car clean, see what else I could get into today. Back in the ABQ. After 5 years, finally do its first oil change. 61 months. 7,777 miles. We are here checking on Paul's S70, and that thing needs some paint on it. Anyway, that wet spot under there is probably where he ended his coolant roulette. He's playing coolant roulette. Probably overheated the dang thing. So we're going to check on it. Now, I checked on that black 850 that I replaced the spark plugs in. That thing was getting 24 miles to the gallon. With the replacement spark plugs, that thing's getting almost 27 miles to the gallon. So those spark plugs did that thing well. So we're going to see what we can find here. Paul's taking his white horse to burp the coolant system. Man, look at the sludge in that coolant system. Anyway, his hose from the driver's side of the block to the top hole on the heater core firewall coupling was torn, causing him to leak his coolant. Now, he played a little coolant roulette, driving it around with the temperature gauge flirting high, so he may have blown the head. Surprisingly, I was able to replace that hose. Only thing I pulled the lower radiator hose loose on this turbo car, and I pulled the air box, and I was able to get a swivel in there and get that hose out. I had one with me because I was going to replace all that stuff in Panther. So I got to order one tonight, get mine in so I can replace all mine, because mine's got almost 400,000 miles on it, and I got my lower radiator hoses swelling. All of his hoses are soft, need to be replaced. So if he didn't blow his head, he's probably going to order all these hoses, get all that stuff replaced. If he did blow his head, he's probably going to abandon the car and replace my hose. I don't know if he want me to give my hose back or what. Doesn't matter. We'll see what happens. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.